Hello students, welcome to Chris Academy. Today let's solve exercise 1.2, third question, first subdivision. So let's go through the question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. So what is prime factorization method? It is nothing but you have to express the numbers as a product of primes. Okay, so you have three integers and we have to express them individually as a product of primes. So how will you express 12? So 12 is nothing but 2 into 2, 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. So these three are prime numbers. So for 15 you have to express as a product of prime numbers. So 3 into 5. 21, how will you express? 7 into 3. So we have expressed them as product of primes. Now we have to find the HCF. So what is HCF? You have to find the common factor. So the common factor in all the three numbers is 3 is a common prime number, and you have to write the smallest power. So smallest power of 3 in all the cases 1. So it is 3 power of 1 is nothing but 3. So what is LCM? You have to write each prime factor. Okay, so we can write 2 into 2 into 3. Here 3 is repeated, so you can leave off this pair and you have to write 5 into 7. You need not write 3. So instead of this full set, you can write only one prime. Okay, you can represent it as single prime. So now you have to find the answer. So 4 into 15 into 7. So 15 into 4 is 60 into 7 is nothing but 420. So HCF is 3, LCM is 420. Now let's solve the second subdivision from the third question. Okay, so here you have pairs of integers. Now let's express 17 as 17 into 1. 23 is nothing but 23 into 1. 29 is nothing but 29 into 1. As you don't see any of these number in any tables, right, other than 1. So we can represent it as 17 into 1, 23 as 23 into 1 and 29 as 29 into 1. Okay, so now let's find the HCF. So what is the common factor here is 1. So the HCF is 1. So what is LCM? Is 17 into 23 into 29. So when you multiply you get 11,339. So HCF is 1 and LCM is 11,339. Let's solve the third subdivision from third question. So 8 can be represented as 2 into 2 into 2. 9 as 3 into 3. 25 is 5 into 5. Now HCF. Find the HCF. You have any common factors in all the three numbers? No. So HCF will be 1. The common factor with them is you can simply multiply all these equations, all these products into 1, right? So 1 is the common number and you get 1 as the HCF. So what will be the LCM? You have to write all the primes into 2, into 3, into 3, into 5, into 5. So that will be equal to 8 into 9 into 25. So 25 into 8 will be 200, into 9 will be 1800.